How's it going, everyone? Evan here, following Watamu. We are at AKATRAX bike park here in Akaroa. We're just on Bermalicious right now, nice and dusty. It's a beautiful day here. Got Monster Maya running in behind. Got myself Liam. Evan, we're a move. Beat the jumper. Yeah. Oh, that was easy. I can't even see now. Having a roasting good time. We've got some moose here.
That first jump because I didn't realise it was there.
That was funny.
Did you hit the first jump?
No.
No.
Hold my ready. Hold ready. Go my. Alright. Back to Bermalicious. Hold my. Oh. Maya, don't run across them, you'll break a leg.
What you just saw is called a cattle stop. It is designed to give people an access in between fence properties while preventing animals and livestock from doing so. And in the case of Monster Maya, it looks like she learned a way to live with it.
I think Maya seen us jump that one, so she did the same. Like, fully. Oh, Maya! Should we do like a vloggy intro, I guess, like...
What's up, you guys? So for today, we are back at Akaroa, and for the first MTB trail upload of 2022, we will show you both upper and lower HELIWAKA. Hope you enjoy.
Ready, Evan?
Maya, come.
I am ready. You ready?
Yeah.
No, but
Hold.
as I'll ever be, I guess. Fucking gnarly.
And the feet not even on my... Oh, yeah.
Oh, that isn't as bad as it was.
Yo.
That wasn't so bad.
Yeah, that was pretty chill, eh?
The start is a bit awkward. It's getting up with your
Yeah,
pedals
that's the
on.
hardest part, is because like you saw like how I had to like stop because I didn't have my pedals on.
Yeah.
Alright, let's hope my back wheel on my hardtail beast don't buck me over. First time riding since like one time November last year. Everything's fucking sketchy to me now. Yeah.
Sketchy as shit, but
Only the entrance is sketchy, to be honest.
yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
my wheel just kept getting caught on rocks and shit.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Oh, what the f is this? Okay, hello. Don't take the line I did. Oh, what the f?
Okay.
Ready when you are.
Oh yes. Oh yes, money.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, you really didn't need much speed.
Yeah, no, you don't know.
I just hopped it.
Super chill, like, I just full travel.
Yeah. You really didn't need much speed.
Oh shit, no. Yeah.
If I was doing that, I was going to hit it with way more earth.
We're down here, aren't we? Yeah. What a... What a move!
Don't just stop like that. That was nearly so close. You're lucky I have signs. Whoops the daisies. I didn't get a sign.
Because there ain't.
Where is the sign?
Oh no. Oh, what the... Yeah, I follow you.
Even HELIWAKA?
I'm pretty sure it is.
I'm gonna hit some of these jumps out, but we're going way too slow right now.
There we are. No, the cushion is with Miguel.
And that ends today's upload, so don't forget, if you like what you saw, please hit like, comment, and subscribe. Peace!
Are you good?